sound is coming, the sound is coming, the sound is coming. What ritual I can able to? Oh no, I can able to speak. That is what the thing is. Okay. So wait for everything, wait for every time, wait for every second. Uh, I just speaking up with the flow, not caring about everything that what will happen next and how people treat me as a speaker, as a narrator, as a leader, or something else. So there are some factors that are there in anyone's life. So that's why I don't care about it. I'm just speaking up, speaking with the flow and silently. So this is my way to overcome my fear. Bye, guys. Bye.